Hi! Welcome to my moving vlog. It seemed like not too long ago that Kevin and I moved into this home together. It was such a big step forward in our relationship, and we found so much joy in this home, sharing countless holidays and enjoying beautiful snowfalls together. Our home had so much warmth. It was a cozy and safe space for all of us to grow and nurture our souls. As we continued to flow through the beautiful rhythm that is our life, our dreams continued to grow with us, and we found that we needed a change in our life, with the hopes to grow our little family and to expand my business working from home. We decided to find a bigger space and to move into our forever home. Packing up all of our things took way more effort than we thought. There's just so many little goodies in my life, each bringing up so many wonderful memories. It's easy to forget that while it's important to cherish what we have, it is also important to recognize when your belongings are no longer serving you. One of my biggest hopes in this big move is to find a new home for all of the things that no longer fit my lifestyle, so that they can continue to serve a purpose. Luckily, we were able to sell a lot of our things online prior to moving. It makes me so happy to know that what was once ours can now bring joy to others. Of course, apart from letting go of old things, we also gained a few new things, as she's my girl, and some secondhand things. The process of discovering new treasures can be so much fun. Go gadget warm. Go gadget cold. One of the most confusing things during this time was the uncertainty around our actual move-in date. This made it difficult to decide what we should pack and what we should leave for later. The thing is, our new home was under renovations and it was unclear when it would be done. There were so many road bumps along the way, with things going awry and new problems popping up every day. It was stressful, but it was also exciting to check in day by day and witness the progress of everything coming together. My approach to the packing and not packing situation was to tackle my closet first, since I have so many clothes, and to leave only my favorite items unpacked. Other things like toys and fun tidbits were also going to get packed first, since we don't need them on a daily basis. The rooms that we left for the very end, of course, were the kitchen and my office. Hey guys, it's been a while since I've picked up the camera for the moving vlog, because originally we thought we were going to move at the end of January.
So we did a lot of packing then, but then we realized we weren't actually going to be able to move until March. So then we procrastinated for a really long time, and now we're just frantically getting everything together.
And we're going to try moving everything this weekend. Since I had to continue to run my shop up until the move-in date, I left everything in there until the very last minute. The one trick I used to speed up the packing and unpacking process here, so that I can immediately start working again right after the move, was to take all the drawers out with everything inside whenever possible. Oh my god, this is so tiring. This was easy to do with the plastic drawers. I simply covered the top with picture frames, paper, or other large items so that the things inside wouldn't fall out. Wow, how satisfying is it to yet find another thing that can make a perfect lid? The only trouble with these is that they were extremely heavy since they were packed full of enamel pins and paper goods.
Just kidding!
The Alex drawers, however, does not come out like this, and were much too heavy to carry when we left things inside. So everything inside of those had to be taken out. Rather than packing all of the small things inside into a larger box, I actually had these cardboard suitcase boxes laying around from when I used to sell things at craft fairs. I simply created dividers for all of my pins to go inside, and just like that, I would have access to each of my drawers the moment we arrived, so I can carry on with fulfilling any orders that were coming in. The other really great thing about this too is that I can actually lift these boxes myself. With many of the larger boxes, I wasn't able to lift them at all after filling them with things on account of my never working out and my back injury from snowboarding earlier this year. Nonetheless, I was able to load my car with many of the smaller things and made many trips back and forth between our current home and our new home. Since my dad had a truck, we decided not to hire a moving company and did everything ourselves. Although my husband offered to do most of the hard lifting, I wanted to make his job easier by helping him out whenever I could. So when my IKEA shipment arrived, I did everything I could to move it to my new office while he was at work. Unfortunately, that meant taking apart every box and carrying the pieces up one by one because I wasn't really strong enough to carry the whole box. It wasn't that great of a plan, and my energy quickly ran out after unboxing and carrying a little more than half of the boxes. There is something very rewarding about building IKEA furniture, don't you think? Being able to put together something that will belong in your home forever, piece by piece, until it is a functioning piece of furniture? I've always been so amazed by people who know woodworking or are able to construct their own furniture from scratch because it's so out of my comfort zone. If the opportunity ever presents itself though, I think I'd love to learn a thing or two about constructing my own furniture from scratch. So, as I've mentioned, we ran into many problems. And one of the things that had happened was that the light fixture we ordered for our foyer had arrived completely broken. Although we were able to get a refund for it, we were very worried that we wouldn't be able to get a new light fixture in time before the construction people had left, since it was one of the last things that they were going to do before everything came to a close. We were so lucky that a local lighting company had a very similar lighting fixture design that they had in stock, on sale, and we were able to bring it home that very same day. It was actually even more beautiful than the one we had purchased, so it seemed like that may have been a blessing in disguise. For my husband, I think what he may have been the most excited about for our new home might have been setting up all the smart lighting in our living room. He is in love with technology and hosting gatherings with his friends and family, so it was really nice to see the look on his face once everything was all set up.
It kind of just looks like the lights are broken in the video.
As for me, what I was the most excited about for our new home was all the plant shopping that we would be doing to fill up the space. We were both very excited to have more plants in our home, and I am so blessed that our visions have always aligned with things like this. I think once everything is ready, it's going to feel very refreshing and super relaxing. I'll be doing some room tours, DIYs, and shopping vlogs to go with this moving series, so if you're interested, join us! I create art and lifestyle content here on this channel, and I would be so happy to have you as part of my YouTube family. If you enjoyed this video, please leave it a like. If you made it all the way to the end, let me know in the comments what makes you feel the most at home. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. See you all very soon.
Oh God, how do I get out?